Am I wrong for naming my cat something my sister was going to name her daughter? Again with the names, man. This always causes rift between people. Sister, Alice, 29 female, had some fertility issues. She eventually got pregnant a few years ago. Alice wanted the gender of the baby to be a surprise so she wouldn't know until he was born. She ended up picking out two names, one if it was a boy and one if it was a girl. She ended up having a boy. When she was talking... I can see. When she was talking about girl names, she floated the idea Sandra, and her nickname could be Sandy. She did not end up using the name, and it wasn't even their pick for the name if it was a girl. It was their second or third choice. Anyway, fast forward to last week, I found and rescued an orange cat. After I knew she wasn't lost, I decided that I would keep her. I was trying to think of names that would work, and one of my friends suggested Sandy. This friend did not know that my sister had brought up the name Sandy for her child. Am I the asshole for refusing to return the $600 gift I bought my mom for Christmas? To start, I want to mention that unlike my wife, I have a very good relationship with my mom. And because my siblings can always afford pricey gifts for my mom, this year I decided to gift her something nice and expensive for once on Christmas. Though I'm currently unemployed, but I worked for the past few months and my wife and I have a joint account. I already know this is gonna go down. You taking money from the joint account to buy your mom a gift that you cannot afford. Okay, the problem began when my wife found out that I purchased a $600 necklace for my mom to gift her on Christmas using our joint account. She went off on me saying I should have told her and I shouldn't have taken the money from our joint account that she uses to pay the bills and rent, especially now that we're struggling. Dumbass! Like what? I asked why should I tell her since it's for both of us, but she reminded me that despite that being true, 1, I no longer work, and 2, 600 is a lot and I should have consulted her, but the reasons I didn't are 1, I feel that it's my money too and I can make purchases using our joint account, and 2, I know if I told my wife she refused to let me buy the gift solely because she hates my mom. She yelled at me saying that it